about to crack open these steaks. We can ready to put these steaks in the air fryer. We're going to preheat this air fryer. We want to air crisp. So first things first, I'm going to put some oil on this baby so my seasonings can stick. First things first. I'm going to rub that in. And over there, my air fryer has heated up. I'm going to do some salt and pepper first. Salt. And then we got some pepper. I thought I took it out, but I didn't. So I'm going to go into my onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. And I got some seasoned salt. I usually would have a seasoned, not seasoned, a steak season. But I thought I bought some, but I don't see it. So this is brown sugar bourbon, just to add some flavors. And I'm going to add some garlic herb. Okay, we're here. And so what I'm going to do is rub this in. Rub it in, rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Other side. We got our salt. No, that's not salt. Salt. We got our pepper. Right. Then we got our seasoned salt. Then we got our onion powder. Right. And then we got our garlic powder. I mean, guys, you don't have to do what I'm doing. I just know what I know about a steak. Okay? You have to have seasoning to go through, and it's a big fat boy. So I did that, and I'm going to rub this in. Then we're going to take it over there to that air fryer. Right? Okay. Stay tuned. So next what I'm going to do, I put her in here with some onions on it, and then I put butter on top. And then I'm going to close this bad boy up and continue to cook her. I think I'm going to do 10 minutes because it's so thick. We're going to see 10 minutes on each side, or I'm going to just see what it looks like. Meantime, I'm making some spinach. And I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. I should have cut the potatoes, but I wasn't thinking. All right, guys.
Thinking about what was I going to do today? What was my next step in the investigation? My coworkers, we all worked on this together, and it was very taxing, both physically and mentally. So everybody needs a place to kind of de-stress.
Turned out so yummy, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.